Today we're going to take a look at the barcode reader and the OCR reader from SensoPart. So I've already got the job set up. We already have the right shutter speed, the right working distance so that it's all in focus. Now we just need to add our two detectors. So if you go to the detectors page, we're going to add a barcode version. This is going to look and find barcodes automatically. We're just going to shorten, or I guess size the window we're looking in to be a bit smaller. That way we're not looking over the whole page. This should help with cycle time. Now that we've got this set up, if you look over here, we've got our string, and it actually matches the string below it. We're actually going to read that string next. So if we go and add a new detector, we add an OCR. Again, it puts in a really large window that we're going to look in. We're actually going to bring this way down and look in just this little section. That way we don't end up with a bunch of garbage. So if we bring this window a bit smaller, we'll just orientate it a little bit closer to how the camera's facing. And this pink box is the size of the letter. So if you were looking for specific sizes, you would bring this in to be roughly the size of the letter. So if you look, we're actually reading pretty good right now. It's chosen the industrial 0 to 9 AZ. That's kind of the default setting. I've noticed that if you don't have any letters in what you're looking for, to just go with something that doesn't have letters. That way an O doesn't become a 0 and a 0 doesn't become an O. There are some threshold settings, but it is easier just to eliminate the O possibility if you don't need it. So we'll switch that to 0 to 9. Nothing's going to change. But if it ever did think there was an O, it's not going to think there's an O. So now that we've got the OCR reading the serial, or actually the code for the barcode, we can go ahead and set up our output. Our output in the Doosan world and in PLC Next, the one that I designed, it's always going to start with a semicolon and then use a separator semicolon as well. Once we've got that set up, we are going to add the outputs. So we're going to double click, add detector 1, we're going to do barcode 1, and then we're going to do the string. And then we're also going to add detector 2, which is our OCR reader, and we're going to read the string as well. So now we're going to get in the first position the barcode string, in the second position we're going to get the OCR string. And now that we've got this all set up, we can start the sensor. If I go to my PLC and stop it, and we'll do a quick cold reboot, that way it can connect now that the camera is in the proper mode. And then we can actually go to the web page that I designed and hit take a picture. Now it's going to give us the information that we asked for. So there's our OCR, there's our barcode, and then those are our two results. If I take a piece of paper and cover up the end of the number and hit take a picture, you can see now that we end up with a shorter number and they are no longer the same. And then this works for other ones as well. So this is one type I have. I have another one here that's just going to be slightly different numbers because it's just a slightly different part. But it does work with different parts, different barcodes. Just a very quick overview of the barcode and OCR functionality.